All right, step 3, setting up your availability calendars. So there are 4 calendars that we'll need to configure in order to accurately display your availability for your products and services. So let's start with laying down some rules for your events calendar. Now this calendar will be associated with displaying most of your products and services in the SpreeStore. Now the first question tells us how many events you'll be allowed to be booked on any given day. Now you know the depth of your team and what kind of business resources you're able to dedicate to have a successful product or service fulfillment experience for your client. So enter a number here that you're absolutely comfortable with. Now we also understand that capacity sometimes can play a role in determining availability. Like for example, if you were a caterer and you accepted 1 reservation for 1,000 guests, you may not be able to take on your normal volume of clients that day. So we've added a failsafe feature that you can set up in the availability tab of the vendor dashboard, where you can simply toggle on or off availability for a particular date. So if you feel you've prematurely reached your limit, you can simply go there and turn off your availability for that date for your service and products so you won't receive any future reservations in the SpreeStore.